Alex, you want some water? Oh, oh boy, water. Doesn't quite know what to. He's just a little too excited about it. Oh, you know what to do with the water. Yeah, you do. Oh, that's fun. I don't know what that means. I think it means I'm happy. I like the water. Alex, what is that? You found some water? Oh boy. Lucky guy. Oh.
Oh, here we go. Splish splash. Oh.